What's good? Right now, the hottest word in tech is agent. AI agents. Everybody's selling them. $10,000 courses, headlines saying agents are gonna replace your whole job. And most people nodding along have no idea what the word even means. So today, no hype, I'm gonna decode it for you. And once you get it, nobody can sell you fog ever again. Here's the noise you're swimming in. AI agents will replace everything. Agents are the future. Buy my $10,000 agent course before it's too late, and it makes you feel behind like everybody's ahead of you. But here's the secret. Most of the people yelling about agents can't even define one. So let's be the ones who actually can. Start with the cleanest line in the whole topic. A chatbot talks, an agent does. When you use a chatbot, you ask a question, it gives you an answer, and you're done. It's a conversation. An agent is different. An agent takes actions in the real world to get a job done. A chatbot is someone you text. An agent is someone you hire. The difference isn't that the agent is smarter, it's that it can actually do things. So what turns a plain AI into an agent? 3 ingredients. 1, a model. That's the brain, the AI that does the thinking. 2, tools. Those are the hands, the things it can actually use, like searching the web, sending a message, saving a file, running code. And 3, a loop. It doesn't answer once and stop. It repeats. Plan, do, check, adjust again. Brain, hands, and a loop. That is the entire secret behind the scary word. Zoom in on that third piece, the loop, because that's really the magic word. The agent makes a plan, takes one action, looks at what happened, decides the next move, and goes again. Over and over until the goal is done. That loop, that repeating on its own, is the entire thing that makes it an agent instead of a chatbot. No loop, no agent. Simple as that. Let me make it real with one we actually built. The goal, make a video. A chatbot would just describe how. An agent does it. It pulls the real data, writes the script from those numbers, generates the voiceover, renders the video, and lines it up for a human to approve. Step after step after step, using tools and checking its work along the way. That right there, that's an agent, not magic. Just a brain, hands, and a loop doing a job. Now the trap. They'll tell you agents are fully autonomous, they replace humans, it's basically AGI pump the brakes. In reality, agents break. They get stuck in loops, they misread things, and they'll do something dumb with total confidence. The slick demo you saw is not the daily reality. Agents are genuinely powerful, but they need guardrails and a human watching every single time. Anybody selling you a hands-off robot is selling you a fantasy. So here's how people who actually know build them. You let the agent automate the cheap, reversible stuff freely, the busy work, but you put a gate on anything risky, spending money, posting to your channel, deleting things. Anything hard to undo, a human has to approve it first. A well-built agent is not the one that does everything alone. It's the one that asks permission before it can hurt you. The gate is the whole game. Let's kill the myths fast. An agent is not magic, it's not conscious, and it is definitely not set it and forget it. And here's the one nobody admits. An agent isn't always worth it. A lot of the time, just asking the AI one good question beats building a whole agent. Building a robot to do something you only do once is just showing off. Same rule as the last video. Match the tool to the job. So should you actually use one? Here's the simple test. Use an agent when the task repeats and has multiple steps, posting content every week, sorting through an inbox, watching prices and reacting. That's agent territory. But if it's a one-time question, just ask the AI and move on. Repetition plus steps, that's an agent. One and done, that's just a prompt. Don't overbuild. So here's the flip. Agent sounds futuristic and complicated, so they wrap it in mystery and charge you for the word. But you strip it down now. It's a model for a brain, some tools for hands, a loop so it keeps going, and you holding the gate on anything risky. That's the whole machine. That's all of it. And once you can see it that clearly, nobody ever can sell you fog again. That's it. That's an AI agent with the mystery stripped off. A brain, some hands, a loop to keep it going, and a human holding the gate. That's the thing they're charging 10 grand to explain. Now you've got it for free. They want you confused so you overpay. We want you clear so you build. Quantum Melanin Media. We teach the basics they skip. Share this with somebody who needs it. We are the receipts, a chat.